how to add or remove the color inversion shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on vision enhancements. After that, we go down and tap on color inversion. Tap on the left hand side panel, then tap on color inversion shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now tap on the left hand side panel. In here you can choose which shortcuts to use. There are 3 different shortcuts that you can activate. So select one of them. So the first one is tap accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, or press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Once you have turned it on, you can access it by choosing one of the method. So here is the accessibility button. Tap on that. Will allow you to quickly turn on or switch off color inversion shortcuts. Or you can use the side button here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.